Like a boss.
All right, ladies, let's talk about your biggest weakness. And look, if this video doesn't show you guys that I lose shit by making these videos, I don't know what's going to show you. You know what I'm saying? If this video doesn't prove to you guys that I'm not taking any sides, this is the video because this is something that I know a lot of dudes are going to hate me for this. and I may, it's I'm reluctant to talk about this, but you know what? This is the truth. Okay, my purpose to be on this channel is to help you guys out, to help out the mindful gang. If you're in the mindful gang, I want to see you in the description down below. And I'm posting a video today on Patreon, so become a Patreon member because I'm posting 2 videos today. Okay, um, so yeah, look, women's biggest weakness are your ears, your little ears right here. Yeah, this is your biggest weakness because a lot of you ladies have a lot of intense fantasies. You guys have fantasies. You guys have dreams as females, right? And your biggest dream for a lot of females is to find a stable relationship, to have a kid one day, or to join the party. When I mean join the party, I mean you want to be also part of the group that says, "My man did this for me. My man did that for me." You know, like, "Oh, my guy did this for me, and he did that for me." Sorry, that's how women are in my head, to be honest with you. But it's your fantasies. Your ears are your biggest weakness because a lot of you ladies have intense fantasies. On top of the time limit you guys have intense fantasies that when you guys want something and a guy tells you what you want to hear, you fall in love. It's just how it is. I tell guys, man, the women's biggest weakness are their ears. Tell them what they want to hear. I want a relationship, baby. I want one too. I want to have 2 kids, baby. I want to have 2 kids too. I want to have a house, baby. I also want to have a house. Wow, that's crazy. Really? Yeah, baby. I want a house just like you want one too. I want a relationship, baby. I want one too. I'm not ready now, but I want one too. I'm too busy with work, but I want one too. I'm like, oh, okay. Wow. Well, let me wait for him. And then you slowly wait. You wait, and you're like, baby, I want a relationship. I want to get married. Baby, me too. I want to get married as much as you do too, baby, but I'm not ready yet. I got work. I got work to do. I can't. You see what I'm saying? In my kids, that's actually the truth, right? Like, if you guys don't know, I got 7 classes. I got 3 YouTube channels, courses. It's too much to do. But you guys get the point, right? Is that your biggest weakness are your ears. So this is what you guys have to do, man. Is because when somebody tells you what you want to hear, you tend to overlook their flaws because you have an intense desire in your heart, right? So the way to overcome that, because that's irrationality, the way to overcome that is to become rational. Rational. And you know what brings rationality? Planning things out. Having a set of standards brings out your rational side. Having a set of standards of things you will or will not accept brings out your rational nature, right? So what I want you to do is this: think back in your life, the things that people that you thought were disrespect, or things that led to disrespect. Literally, I do that shit too. Okay, and then write it down, and then write down what are the consequences. What am I willing to leave somebody for? What am I willing to compromise for? What do I want in a person? What are the no-nos and what are the yes yeses? You see what I'm saying? Because if you don't do this, when somebody tells you what you want to hear, or you're emotional, or you're going through some traumatic event, you're gonna overlook those flaws, right? For example, I was talking to one of my monthly clients. By the way, I have monthly coaching. It's called Coach in a Pocket. I don't advertise it that much, simply because I don't have that much space. I can only do 2 or 3 at a time, especially now. But she's one of my monthly coaching clients. It's like the way it works is that you can contact me as much as you want, 5 times a week. It's called Coach in a Pocket, right? Anyway, so she was talking to this dude, right? And I was talking to her last week. She was talking to this dude where he was perfect, right? She wanted a relationship with him, but he would call her names. He would call her a bitch sometimes and then apologize, right? He would get drunk, go crazy, and then once he was sober, he would act nice, right? And so she was asking me, hey, why is this, right? Anyways, the reason why is because She was focused on what, because he also wanted to have a kid with her. She was from China, right? He also wanted to have a kid with her, right? And she wanted one, and so she was just focusing on the kid part, right? She wasn't focusing on the standards. And I told her, hey, is this what you really wanted? She's like, no. I was like, you want the kid, but is in general, is this what you really wanted? Is this what you had in mind? She's like, no. I'm like, how about this? Get write the yourself, write the things that you want in the relationship, right? I want this, and not terms of the look, but how you want to be treated, right? Write it down, and then write down why do you want that. What are the benefits of this kind of relationship? Write down the benefits, and what would happen. What are the costs of being in a relationship that you're in right now? Write down the cost. What would it cost you in the future, right? And then I asked her, I was like, okay, then write down your ideal relationship. What kind of relationship do you want? How do you want to be treated? How do you want to be spoken to, right? And she wrote it down, right? And then I told her, do you believe that you could get that kind of relationship? Do you believe it's possible? Especially if you watch my channel. Fuck yeah, it is possible. But do you believe it's possible? What happens is that once you believe that this kind of relationship is possible, and you really want it, and you think it's possible, your desire for this relationship will just go away. People, me, I have a set of standards that I want in a woman. Not unrealistic. They're pretty realistic. By the way, these are my recent drawings, by the way. Look at this, right? I'm sure you got mine. People, a lot of dating coaches tell you to do things. I do it myself. I talk about mastery. I'm on the process of it, right? The things I teach works because you guys can see this. You see what I'm saying? Look at this, right? Shitty. Oh, nice, right? I'm working on this right now. And this was yesterday, right? It's beautiful, right? Let me show you more. All right, look at this, right? See that? Bam. Just about to kill a nigga, right? Bam, right? Bam, right? Look at that, right? Oh yeah, it's feeling nice, right? Yeah, right? Yeah, right? Right, so you have that list of standards. And for example, me, I have a certain goals in my mind, right? And I have a certain idea of woman in my head. I just haven't found her. But my standards are so strong that when I see a woman who doesn't have those standards, I get turned off by them. Honestly, fucking God, I get turned off. My standards are a little bit higher now, right? I get turned off by women. I have low tolerance for people who just not in my standards. Not that you're not better than people, just my own personal standards, right? That's what you gotta do, right? Raise your standards. Believe that you could get better than that. Believe that you could do better. You watch my channel. You watch my channel. You're the mindful gang. You watch my channel, so you could do much better than that. See what I'm saying? And believe that you could do better. Believe that there's somebody out there who could love you, and let that person go if you're in a toxic relationship, right? Because your fantasies, your desires for an ideal relationship, it's what's gonna screw you over. Bring rationality by writing down the kind of people you want to be with, writing down how you want to be treated, and believe that you could find that person, and do not settle for anything less. Does that make sense? That's how it's going to work, ladies and gentlemen. That's how it's going to work, you know. And I told that to my client. I'm going to hear from her tomorrow, right? I'm going to see how she is, because the way it works is that the way monthly coaching works is that you can contact me 4 times a week. I have gold membership, which is 7 days a week. I have the medium range, which is this one, which is platinum. No, which is like the gold, I think, and you have the silver, which is you contact me twice a week. But the point is that I'm gonna get an update from her tomorrow, and we're gonna see. But the real goal is for you and her to get turned off, to want something so fucking badly, and just have an intense desire for it that you'll say no to somebody who doesn't have it. That's the goal. That's the motherfucking goal, people. All right? Anyways, people. By the way, some of you guys did not like the previous video about the sex part. Guys, I gave you guys a warning. In the video, there was a warning. This is vulgar. And some of you guys I'm subscribed. You're like, I'm not subscribing. I'm like, I told you about it, girl. I mean, who you think this is TD Jakes talking to you? I'm not TD Jakes. I'm Daddy Jakes. You know what I'm saying? I made that same video on the Spanish channel and had no problem at all. No problem at all. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not trying to offend you guys. It's just that people who said they're gonna themselves to it. Did you guys not see the warning? Makes no sense. It makes no sense, man. But that's people, right? It is what it is. All right, people. If you guys want one-on-one coaching, monthly coaching, go to the description down below. If you guys want to purchase my online courses, you guys know where to go. Stay corona free, people, and I have a New York City seminar next month, April. Peace out, motherfuckers. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this third week, setting boundaries. We go over the third week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, fourth week, fifth week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses, 10 different bonuses. My Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are: one, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're going to love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now, all right? I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.